You're looking at a 2018 Tesla Model S 100D all-electric dual motor all-wheel drive sedan with 86,000 miles. This vehicle comes fully loaded, ABS, traction, stability control, alloy wheels, all-wheel drive, 100 kilowatt hour battery that gets over 300 miles range, premium wheels, front trunk storage, HID lights, keyless entry, silver exterior, black leather premium interior, full power options, navigation, backup camera with parking sensors, dual zone climate control with heated seats, adjustable drive modes, air suspension, autopilot, full self-driving, fully paid for, and it can now do full self-driving. You can request the beta as long as you drive well. They'll enable it for you as long as you keep your safety score up. It's got the free premium connectivity. Exact mileage is 86,855. Full self-driving is fully paid for. You do not have to subscribe. Air suspension, full self-driving, premium connectivity is fully paid for, grandfathered. Car is in like new condition. Panoramic glass roof, premium interior, everything's fully working. All weather mats, premium wheels, rear tailgate with the privacy of chargers right there, power trunk, rear vents. Sorry, it's just a little bit dark. No rips, no burn holes, no odors or anything like that. If you're interested, please give us a call. Phone number is 508-921-0301. And I'm just going to give you one more walk around so you can see the exterior. Absolutely no story. Super clean vehicle. If you're interested, give us a call. 508-921-0301. Thank you.